And another question is like, how much will it weigh? How much will this bike weigh, do you think? Will it be 8 kilos? Will it be 7? How much will it weigh? How much will it weigh? And will it beat any $10,000 bikes at the climbs? Will I be able to get any Strava K-wins? Will I be able to get any PRs on this bike? One can only know. One can only find out. How much will it weigh? Let us know below. So here we have the Velo build kit. This is, trying to keep this camera steady, it's a $400 frame. Saddle, $20. Stem, $10. I tried to find stuff that was pretty safe. Those tubes I found on the side of the road. Got a Mavic Axiom wheel, $20. Got some XTR pedals. Bearing's still good, $50. We've got some scratched, almost new Dura-Ace, latest Dura-Ace 91000 direct mount brakes, $150. We've got a power tap, $200. This is Aussie prices. We've got an Ortega crank set. The left hand arm I'll have to source at the $30. Chain was alright. I've got 2 tyres, got those in the bin in the bike shop, free. I've got some Bontrager bars, almost new, off a mate, $20. They were new bike takeoff. This group set, $50. 10-speed Ultegra 6700, $50. So that's the derailleur I can use. I don't need the brakes. And there you go. What I need now is a chain and cassette. So that's going to be maybe $20 for a 10-speed cassette, maybe $20 for a chain as well. So maybe another $50. So do the math, and we're well under $1,000. Well under $1,000 there for a race bike. So this is my, how much does it cost? Oh, geez, maybe it's $800. This is my $800 Chinese, I'll do the maths. Maybe someone will do the maths down below. My $800 Chinese carbon race bike. And how's it going to ride? Let's find out. Let's build this bad boy up. I've even got second-hand cables I can use. So make sure the cables are safe. Again, with these bars, I've got them almost new. Safe bars, brand, almost new. Not been crashed. Stem again. Safe stem, you always want that safety there. And there you go. So that's the bike, that's the build kit. Let's get it all put together. So if you have any comments or questions, let us know down below. What do you think of the colour? I guess due for bigdurunrider.com sticker on there. How many 10 grand bikes can Durunrider pass on his Chinese carbon banana bike? Let's find out. So it just goes to show that the deals are out there. You can buy bling if you want. I've got plenty of bling. All around here. You can sort of see some bling blings. I've got bikes, all over the joint here. So you can spend big bucks on whatever you want, or you can spend real budget. So $1,000 can get you a really nice bike, brand new frame and fork. If you go to second-hand market, even better. But again, you want to be careful what you buy. You don't want to buy a second-hand bike, it's got to be cracking the steerer. So you're going to be checking stuff out, bars and stuff. So if you know what you're looking for, then you'll be all right. If you don't, then it could be a bit risky. But I know what I'm looking for, and I love the bargain, I love the hunt, I love the chase. But there's so much good product out there that's just sitting in people's garages, not getting used, This is not getting used, so I like to get it out there and make use of it. But anyway, 24 bikes now. I think that's bike number 25. Will it be the best? Will it be the worst? What will I think? Let's find out. Let's find out. First world problems, let's do it. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the idea, gang. Thanks. I can't remember who mentioned the Velo build, but I appreciate it. So I think Chris will be pretty stoked as well. Get up on the road, see how it goes.